Doing everything against the clock though must have been an absolute nightmare.
It was a challenge, certainly.
Yeah. So it's not how the hobby's meant to be, really.
Really?
Santa can then.
Do you know where else Santa is? He's in the pub over there. You've got to shout for him though. Shout Santa. Hello. Did you watch this on television? Did you? Do you recognise anybody? Yeah?
Preparation that you actually done? I mean, did you know the theme before you got there?
We knew the theme 2 weeks before the programme,
right.
And they sent us our baseboards, blank baseboards, 2 weeks before the programme.
Right.
So we could dry lay out the track and test it for size and everything. And Ian, our electrical wizard. Can you remember where Santa was on this? We could make bubbles. And Santa's driving the steam train. Where is it? There he comes. Watch this steam train. Here he comes. Who is it? Can you see?
A driver.
Who is it? It's a driver though.